Welcome to the second lesson on supply chain optimization. This second course is the benefits of supply chain optimization and the benefits that companies achieve from a proper implemented optimization program. Now the agenda would be as follows. We will look at cost reduction, then enhanced customer service, inventory optimization, risk mitigation, and finally data-driven decision making. There are a number of learning outcomes from this course. It's a very comprehensive lesson. Studying such things such as driving down cost reduction, improving financial performance, reducing lead times and improving customer satisfaction, eliminating bottlenecks, reducing delays, enhancing productivity. Quite a few learning outcomes, of course, which will also all be covered as we go through. Now, supply chain optimization is a powerful tool for significantly reducing costs within an organization. Companies can save money by streamlining processes, eliminating inefficiencies, and reducing waste. Therefore, the supply chain becomes more efficient as a result of effective optimization, resulting in lower transportation costs, optimized inventory levels, and improved manufacturing processes. And there are 4 ways that this can be achieved. Lean manufacturing. Lean manufacturing principles emphasize reducing waste and increasing activities. Companies can reduce inventory holding costs, eliminate overproduction, and reduce transportation and storage expenses by implementing lean manufacturing techniques such as just-in-time production and continuous improvement. Supplier consolidation. Supplier consolidation entails reducing the number of suppliers used for similar goods or services. Organizations typically save money by consolidating suppliers because they can then negotiate better pricing and terms. They would achieve economies of scale and streamline their procurement processes. A third factor is transportation optimization. Now, transportation costs are frequently a significant component of overall supply chain costs. Transportation optimization thus entails choosing the most cost-effective modes of transportation, optimizing routes, and consolidating shipments. The route optimization software, freight consolidation, and collaborative transportation can all help to reduce transportation costs and increase efficiency. The fourth and final factor is the total cost of ownership analysis. Now, TCO analysis takes into account the total cost of a product or service over its entire life cycle. It studies not only the purchase price but also maintenance, operating costs, disposal costs, and quality-related expenses. Thus, TCO analysis allows organizations to make informed decisions about sourcing, supplier selection, and product design in order to reduce long-term costs. Now, these cost-cutting techniques enable businesses to identify and eliminate wasteful spending, streamline processes, and improve the overall efficiency of their supply chains. Companies can therefore achieve significant cost savings and increase profitability by implementing these techniques. Enhance customer service. Now, customer centricity is essential for supply chain optimization because it helps align business processes, strategies, and decision making with customer needs and preferences. Now, here's why customer centricity is critical in supply chain optimization. You need to understand that customer demand is critical for accurate forecasting of demand. Organizations can gain a thorough understanding of customer preferences, purchasing patterns, and market trends by prioritizing customer insights and feedback. This data is used to improve demand forecasting to ensure that the right products are available in the right quantities, optimize inventory levels, and reduce the risk of stockouts or excess inventory. Customer-centric organizations create products and services based on the needs and preferences of their customers. Now, in the context of supply chain optimization, involving customers in product design ensures that products are optimized for production, transportation, and distribution. Taking into account factors such as packaging size, product modularity, and ease of transportation can result in cost savings and streamlined supply chain operations. Customer-centric organizations place a premium on effective order management processes as well. Organizations can ensure smooth order processing, accurate order tracking, and timely delivery of implementing streamlined systems and technologies. This optimization lowers order errors, increases order fulfillment rates, and boosts customer satisfaction. Therefore, a customer-centric approach encourages collaboration and partnership with suppliers and other stakeholders in the supply chain. Organizations can then align supply chain activities with customer requirements by actively engaging suppliers in the optimization process. Collaborative initiatives such as vendor-managed inventory or joint demand planning can assist in optimizing inventory levels, reducing lead times, and improving overall supply chain efficiency. Continuous improvement is a core principle in customer-centric organizations. Organizations can identify areas for improvement in supply chain by closely monitoring customer feedback, analyzing customer satisfaction metrics, and actively seeking customer input. This feedback-driven optimization approach ensures continuous process refinement, improves customer service levels, and fosters long-term customer loyalty. So as you can see, prioritizing customer needs and providing exceptional customer experiences can help a company stand out from the crowd. Organizations gain a competitive advantage in the market by optimizing the supply chain to meet customer expectations. A customer-centric supply chain optimization results in shorter lead times, on-time deliveries, personalized services, and overall superior customer satisfaction, which can attract new customers, retain your existing ones, and establish a strong market position. For supply chain optimization, a customer-centric approach is critical. Organizations can optimize their supply chains to deliver superior customer experiences, improve operational efficiency, and gain a competitive advantage in the market by aligning their strategies, processes, and decision-making with customer needs. Now we will look at inventory optimization, which is a critical component of supply chain optimization because it allows businesses to effectively manage their inventory levels, reduce carrying costs, and reduce the risk of obsolete stock. Companies can significantly improve inventory management by implementing a data-driven strategy and leveraging advanced analytics. It is also a complex process that is influenced by a variety of factors such as demand forecasting, safety stock calculation, and reorder point determination. Now here's how these elements influence inventory optimization. Forecasting demand requires accurate demand forecasting, which is critical for inventory optimization. Organizations can forecast future demand patterns by analyzing historical data, market trends, and customer insights. This data assists in determining the appropriate inventory levels to meet customer needs while minimizing excess stock or stockouts. Effective demand forecasting allows businesses to match inventory levels to anticipate demand, improving inventory turnover and lowering carrying costs. By calculating the safety stock, this is the buffer inventory kept to protect against unexpected variations in demand or supply. This acts as a buffer against fluctuations, lead time variability, and unforeseen events. Inventory optimization takes into account safety stock calculation in order to strike a balance between meeting customer demand and minimizing your excess inventory. The level of safety stock is influenced by factors such as desired service levels, demand variability, and supply reliability. An accurate assessment of these factors aids in the optimization of inventory levels, ensuring adequate stock is available without incurring excessive holding costs. By determining the reorder point is the inventory level at which a new order is placed to replenish stock. It is determined by factors such as lead time, variability in demand, and desired service levels. To reduce the risk of stockouts and excess inventory, organizations optimize the reorder point. A well-calculated reorder point ensures timely replenishment, avoiding service disruptions. Organizations can adjust the reorder point to account for longer lead times or unexpected delays, optimizing the inventory levels and avoiding stockouts by taking lead time variability into account. Now, the ultimate goal of inventory optimization is to achieve optimal inventory levels that meet customer demand while also minimizing costs and improving operational efficiency. A well-executed inventory optimization strategy based on accurate demand forecasting, informed safety stock calculation, and an optimized reorder point determination can improve supply chain performance and customer satisfaction significantly. Organizations can thus reduce carrying costs associated with storage, obsolescence, and depreciation by optimizing their inventory levels. Furthermore, reducing the risk of obsolete stock helps to avoid financial losses, while also ensuring the availability of fresh and relevant products, increased efficiency, improved cash flow, and enhanced decision making. Now, supply chain optimization is critical for effectively identifying and mitigating risks, ensuring your business continuity even in the face of disruptions. Now, how is it achieved? Risk factors can vary greatly depending on the industry and the organization. But understanding and mitigating these risks is essential for effective risk management techniques. There are different types of risks according to the organization. You could have financial risk, operational risk, and legal risk. We would look at the risks that are involved within a supply chain organization. Now, supply chain optimization entails conducting a thorough examination of the entire supply chain in order to identify potential risks and vulnerabilities. This includes assessing supplier dependability, transportation risks, inventory management, and external factors such as disasters or geopolitical events. Organizations gain a clear understanding of potential risks and their potential impact on operations by conducting risk assessments and mapping out the supply chain. Now, supplier and partner diversification is important in supply chain optimization because it reduces reliance on a single source. Organizations can reduce the risk of supplier disruption such as production delays, quality issues, or unexpected changes in the supplier's business by engaging multiple suppliers. Developing strong relationships with alternate suppliers and developing backup plans help to ensure a consistent supply of materials or services, reducing the impact of supplier-related risks. Now, supply chain optimization encourages supply chain partners to collaborate and share information. Organizations can proactively identify and address potential risks by fostering open communication channels. They should ensure they can share real-time data on demand, inventory levels, and production capacity, which would allow partners to effectively collaborate in risk management, such as, for example, sudden demand surges or supply disruptions. This information exchange is facilitated by collaboration platforms and technologies, allowing for faster decision making and risk mitigation. Now, advanced technologies, in particular, and analytics, are used in supply chain optimization to monitor, identify, and mitigate the risks. Predictive analytics, machine learning, and AI algorithms aid in the detection of early warning signs of potential disruptions, allowing for proactive risk management. Organizations, for example, can use real-time data analytics to identify patterns in demand or supply chain disruptions, allowing them to take preventative measures to mitigate risks. Now, supply chain optimization relies heavily on data analysis and advanced analytics to drive informed decision-making and continuous improvement. Data analysis and advanced analytics provide organizations with valuable insights, enabling them to optimize supply chain processes, identify improvement opportunities, and therefore make data-driven decisions. By leveraging these techniques, organizations can achieve continuous improvement, enhance efficiency, and drive innovation within their supply chains. Innovation is a crucial enabler of supply chain optimization and thus drives the benefits. Data analysis is used in supply chain optimization to make informed decisions. Organizations gain valuable insights into their supply chain performance by collecting, processing, and analyzing relevant data from various sources, such as the sales department, production, inventory, and crucially, customer feedback, which is why a customer focus is also very important. This data-driven approach enables decision makers to identify bottlenecks, inefficiencies, and other areas for improvement. This results in a more effective supply chain decision making. This area of optimization and data analysis explains the key benefits that can be derived by pursuing optimization within your supply chains. So data analysis improves visibility and collaboration in the supply chain. Organizations can gain a holistic view of the entire supply chain by integrating data from various stakeholders such as suppliers, manufacturers, distributors, and retailers. Advanced analytics can detect inefficiencies, bottlenecks, and potential disruptions, allowing supply chain partners to collaborate and solve problems. Organizations can use data analysis to measure supply chain performance using key performance indicators. They can assess their performance and identify areas for improvement by defining and tracking relevant metrics such as on-time delivery, order accuracy, inventory turnover, and cycle time. Real-time dashboards, reports, and visualizations from advanced analytics can enable continuous monitoring and measurement of supply chain performance. We will cover these areas in the next lesson. Continuous improvement initiatives are aided by data analysis and advanced analytics. Therefore, organizations can identify trends, patterns, and potential future disruptions by analyzing historical data and applying predictive analytics. This knowledge enables organizations to address issues proactively, optimize processes, and therefore implement preventive measures for improved supply chain performance. The benefits of a data-driven decision making cannot be understated. This concludes the end of lesson 2, describing the benefits of supply chain optimization. As discussed, we covered the doing cost reduction, enhanced customer service, inventory optimization, risk mitigation, and the ability to have data-driven decision making. Your key learning points that have been covered includes understanding the importance of supply chain optimization and driving cost reduction, improving financial performance, along with the other key learning points listed here. Now, if you have any questions on the material, please feel free to email me at kelroydbjames@gmail.com. Also, feel free to engage your other participants to ask questions, communicate, and, like organizations, collaborate together for effective decision making. I look forward to seeing you in the next course.